Hello, welcome to Master English. My name is Cameron. In this lesson, we're going to cover the voice TH sounds from our International Phonetic Alphabet Part 3 IPA consonant sounds. First, we'll go over our vocabulary for this lesson, and then we'll practice sentences using these words. Be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get started. Please repeat after me. That, this, these, those, they, there, then, them, though, there. Now, let's try some sentences. The first word is that. Number 1. That was the last straw. Number 2. That is the best decision we've made. Number 3. She said that she would be late for dinner. The next word is this. Number 1. This is my favorite song. Number 2. Can you pass me this pen? Number 3. This weather is perfect for a picnic. The next word is these. Number 1. These cookies are tasty. Number 2. Do you like these shoes better than those? Number 3. These are the game instructions. The next word is those. Number 1. Those mountains look beautiful. Number 2. Can you grab those books for me? Number 3. Those were the best days of my life. Great! The last word in this set is they. Number 1. They are going to the concert. Number 2. They said it might rain tomorrow. Number 3. They have been friends for years. Great work! Let's review the vocabulary one more time. That, this, these, those, they, there, then, them, though, there. Excellent! You're on your way to becoming a native speaker. Be sure to check out our videos, books, social media, and the Master English Patreon page for exclusive content. The links can be found in the description, along with lesson notes for this video. This is Cameron with Master English, signing off until next time. Bye-bye.